Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the NIKKOR Z 28 to 135mm f4PZ, Nikon's first power zoom lens for the Z-mount system. With its advanced zoom capabilities, robust build, and versatile focal range, this lens is tailored for videographers and hybrid shooters. Let's explore its features and performance in detail. Design and build quality. The NIKKOR Z 28 to 135mm f4PZ features a professional and durable design. Weight, 1,210 grams, 42.7 ounces with the tripod collar, or 1,120 grams, 39.5 ounces without it. Dimensions, 178 millimeters, 7.01 inches in length. Materials, high-quality metal and composite construction with full weather sealing. Lens hood, large, square hood included for flare reduction and protection. The lens is built to withstand demanding environments, making it ideal for professional use in both photography and videography. Optical performance. The lens delivers excellent optical performance across its versatile focal range. Aperture. Constant f4 aperture for consistent exposure throughout the zoom range. Optical elements includes ED, extra low dispersion, and aspherical elements to minimize chromatic aberrations and distortions. Coatings. Nanocrystal and RNEO coatings to reduce flare and ghosting. Macro capability. Minimum focus distance of 0.34 meters, 1.1 feet, with a maximum magnification of 0.25 back. The lens produces sharp, vibrant images with minimal distortion, making it suitable for both stills and video. Power zoom features. The standout feature of the NIKKOR Z 28 to 135mm f4PZ is its power zoom functionality. Zoom control. 11-speed motorized zoom for smooth and precise adjustments. Internal zooming. Maintains a constant center of gravity, ideal for gimbal use. Control options. Zoom can be operated via the zoom ring, camera body buttons, or remotely through Nikon software or the MC-N10 video grip. These features make it a game changer for videographers, offering cinematic zoom effects and precise control. Autofocus and manual focus. The lens features advanced focusing capabilities. Autofocus. Fast, accurate, and silent focusing optimized for video. Manual focus. Linear response for precise and repeatable focus pulls. Focus lock buttons. Programmable buttons for added customization. The autofocus system is reliable for both stills and video, ensuring smooth transitions and accurate subject tracking. Versatility. The 28 to 135mm focal range is ideal for a variety of shooting scenarios. Wide angle. Perfect for landscapes and establishing shots. Mid-telephoto, great for portraits and isolating subjects. Video production, power zoom, and internal zooming make it a versatile tool for professional videographers. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any professional kit. User experience. The NIKKOR Z 28 to 135mm f4PZ is designed with professionals in mind. Ergonomics, well-balanced design, even on larger camera bodies like the Nikon Z9. Customization, multiple programmable buttons and a control ring for adjusting settings like aperture or ISO. Weather sealing, resistant to dust and moisture, ensuring reliability in challenging environments. The lens is intuitive to use and built to handle the demands of professional workflows. Price and value. The NIKKOR Z 28 to 135mm f4PZ is priced at approximately $2,597. While it's a premium investment, its advanced features and professional-grade performance make it a worthwhile choice for serious videographers and hybrid shooters. Conclusion. The NIKKOR Z 28 to 135mm f4PZ is a versatile and powerful lens that excels in both video and photography. With its advanced power zoom capabilities, robust build, and exceptional optical performance, it's a must-have for professionals looking to elevate their creative work. Whether you're shooting cinematic videos or capturing stunning stills, this lens delivers outstanding results. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.